we're back in the Tahoe. We're headed to the dealership. We have 2 hours left on this drive. It's going to be a lot of driving for this whole entire trip. Hopefully worth it. I'm starting to sweat and get the shakes sitting back in this seat because of the last drive. But I'll catch back up with you once we get there. See you guys.
You are watching the Iron Ridge Reserve YouTube channel.
Alright guys, so before we surprise the wife, we're going to clean this up a little bit with a long drive and some other stuff. It's gotten dirty, so we're going to clean it up, pressure wash it, and then do the reveal. Alright, we got her dialed in, cleaned up, detailed. It was a fast one, so don't judge. But we're going to grab the wife, bring her around, and then give her a surprise. See what she thinks. So real quick guys, you like the shirt right here? At the time of this video, we are 34 subscribes away from our t-shirt giveaway. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, and you might get a t-shirt here in the mail. I'll contact you and look forward to giving that to you. Thanks guys, let's grab the wife. What do you think?
Wow.
Boom, there we have it guys. I'll take you on the other video, kind of show you what we got, why we got it, and what took so long. But happy wife, happy life. All right, I'm gonna go over a couple options on this. It's a little windy, so I hope it's not too bad. Though what made this car so hard to find? I know I hint at it a little bit and I go over a couple things, but I'll go over a couple of the main things. So one, we wanted either white, mainly white. The other one was charcoal. There's a specific Cadillac color, but it was charcoal more or less. Very pretty color with, you know, metallics and different things like that. We wanted this pearl white, which you can see is absolutely beautiful. So that was one. We wanted a pearl white. We wanted a 23 to 25, low mileage, under 50, lower the better because under warranty and different things like that still. And then the other thing that made it really, really difficult was this right here. So on camera, sometimes it doesn't show quite as well, but this is the most beautiful interior I think Cadillac offers. And other GM products have a brown that's pretty nice as well too. But that made it so hard to track down pearl white, which is a color upgrade option, and then this brown interior. Those two things were immediately basically saying that there's only 10 in the whole United States, under 50,000 miles, and white with the brown interior in the whole United States. And so from there, because I had already driven to Atlanta, I was like, I am not doing a drive like that again. Let's limit it to 1,000 miles, maybe 500. And there was only one car in 800 miles. And it was this one right here. And it's perfect. It has 38,000 miles. It has these beautiful aftermarket rims, which I do like. These treads are a little loud, so we might switch those out at a later date. We'll see, it's fine for right now. It also has these screens. They are aftermarket, but they're done very nice, so I was happy about that. They have the FloorTech or WeatherTech floor mats right here throughout the whole entire car, which we wanted to do anyways. That was great. And then my favorite thing, tint. I tint all of our cars 2% here in Texas. You can have that. And you can also do a little bit darker here because in the county that we're in, there's no inspections on your vehicle. So you can kind of do what you want a little bit, which I like. Other things about the car, it was the ESV. We're getting ready to go on a little trip here now that we've shown the car. And a few other factors. We also wanted the illumination package, which they didn't have, but this has the touring package. So we have the lighted seals and other things there. But again, beautiful car. There's a couple other features which made it hard to find. But the main was the pearl white and this brown interior here. That's absolutely beautiful. One other thing, which I said in a different part of this video already, but just so I can kind of keep it all together here, is we wanted a sport or a sport platinum because it has all the blackout features here. So it goes, I think, platinum, luxury platinum, and those have just kind of the basic chrome, which I personally don't like. I like to black out all my cars. So we wanted sport or sport platinum, not even the platinum luxury, whatever the one is right below the V. We wanted platinum or sport platinum. And so the white interior, or the brown interior, the pearl white, and the sport, there's only like 5 to 10 in the whole United States. And then you end up going and kind of taking a gamble. But this car is beautiful, very happy with it. It was worth the drive, and that's what matters at the end of the day, that it was worth what we did to get it. The saga ends today. So here we have it. We have our new Escalade ESV, and this is the rig we drove 28 hours to get. Well, kind of. You'll see as we get into this. What started as one drive to a dishonest dealership to another drive to finally get the one we wanted. So we went through 3 different Cadillac ESVs to finally get this one. And you're wondering, why the heck did you drive 28 hours? Believe it or not, the trim options on this, there's only several, less than 10 in the whole United States available. Lo and behold, we found this one way out in the sticks of Texas and drove to pick it up after our second failed attempt that took us to Atlanta, Georgia. And one of the reasons we wanted this color was kind of obvious. It is kind of hard to find. You can find the black, you can kind of find the white, and those look great, but this brown interior has a beautiful perforated diamond stitching, and I went back and forth for so long with my wife to say, maybe we give up, let's cut our losses and go with a black interior. And persistence paid off. We have what we want now. And so we have this beautiful, beautiful brown interior with mahogany brown. And let me just take you to the back because we needed the extra space for film equipment and other great things for this content. So let me bring you around back. All right. So one of the reasons we also wanted the ESV, well, we have a few kids, so when we're filming, doing different things, equipment, everything in the back, we can have the back rows up, usable, have film equipment back here, pop the back hatch and do rollers with this car. And that was one of the problems with our Chevy Tahoe is we constantly had to have the back seats down. And so we weren't able to get equipment, different things in the car like we liked. So this will give us plenty of space to move around for activities if you get that quote. And so it'll help us tremendously for a lot of content we're planning to do on the channel. And it's a little nicer than the Tahoe, right? I know what you're thinking before we even get there. Are we gonna twin turbo this thing? Slap a supercharger on this? Well, hold on folks, we might get there. I'll have to convince the wife that she needs some more horsepower, but we'll get there, right? Now, let's hear this exhaust. Let's see what the big V8 sounds like on this old Caddy, all right? So there you have it, a nice deep rumbling V8. Not that the Chevy Tahoe didn't have V8, but this is a larger V8, less fuel economy, but we're about miles per gallon around here, not miles per gallon, all right? Thanks for watching, guys, Iron Ridge Reserve. Before we head out, we are over halfway with our t-shirt giveaway. So once we hit 100 subs, we're just past halfway. Thank you everyone who's watching the channel right now. Thank you so much for your support and trust. Once we hit 100, we'll be giving away our Iron Ridge Reserve t-shirt that I'll put right here. And hopefully one of you guys will have a new shirt and some new fun content on the way as we're progressing through the channel. We are going to be having our RB CR80 build very soon coming. I appreciate your patience on that. Some of the things we ordered for the channel got delayed and they sent us the wrong stuff. I said enough is enough. We're posting the video and we're moving forward, okay? So t-shirt giveaway, CR80RB final build on that. CRF 450 build that we'll be finalizing, just some small jetting things there. And then frame damage. We have frame damage on our Honda Rancher 420. That will be coming very soon as we go. But that's not all, folks. We have our Epic Series announcement coming very, very soon. It starts on 2 wheels and we're ending on 4. And what I'll tell you is we're going small and ending somewhere epic. It's gonna get faster, it's gonna get louder every step of the way, and we're gonna rebuild every single one of them. So subscribe, I'm very excited. We're gonna roll into the new year with tons of epic content and rebuilds for you guys at home. So thanks for watching, guys. Comment down below, what do you think we're buying and building on the channel?